And that's what I always do with this gait. The gait is a wonderful way of finding out how many holes your horse has got. Believe me, I use the gait all the time with clients, and we find all kinds of holes in their riding, in their horsemanship, in their horse itself, and in their and in the rider personally, you know. So I'm just going to reach over here and shake this gait. The next thing I'm going to do, right, is I'm going to put my right leg on her, because when I ask her to open this gate, I'm going to expect her to side pass over, right? So I'm going to find out where her mind is right here. So I put my right leg on her, and she goes forward. So when she goes forward, that was the wrong answer. Okay. I hustle her out here, right? Whoa. She got a little close there and rubbed my stirrup into the gate.